Today, we will talk about control after press enter. Focus to the next control in AGen software. In AGen software, it helps the users to easily perform action in form management. Let's give an example in bullet management. After finishing designing your bullet, you can set the control in the text box in the Set Function button at the bottom of the page. In this page, you can set your text box function with control after press enter. Select all text in this control and select the next text box you want to be after press the enter button. Remember to save the function you set by clicking the Save button. Finally, let's go to the form management and find the bullet you have added. After keying the first text box, you can press enter button to go to the next text box. Since every text box have the control, you can press enter to go to the next targeted text box. To know us more, you can visit us at agen.mobi or scan the QR code on the screen.